Yes, it's such a joy to have you all join me in this series. Now, the inner part is actually 16 centimeter, so I decided to draw a straight pattern that has 16 centimeter by 1.2 centimeter as the width. Now, that strap is not straight. That's why I'm trying as much as possible to make it curve. As you can see what I just did now, just to make it curve. Duplicate that on the back part too, because definitely you need two of this, and that is what I'm practically doing here. I'm trying to duplicate it. If you have not watched the previous series of this particular analysis of this beautiful sandal, please go ahead and check my previous videos to be able to catch up on them all. So we have cut the two pieces that we need. The only thing we need now is the one that is at the center. How do you do that? Pick up the first and the last one that you just got and place them together like this and draw them out. It will definitely give you what you have at the center. If you have enjoyed this series, please let me know in the comment section. Or if you want me to still include the back part, please let me know. Now let's arrange. Then you have this first, you have the one you cut last second, and you have the last strap at the back. Now, if you are using cotton, I'm sure you know it will be difficult to actually fit this in. But when you are using your leather, it's going to be an easy move and it will come out perfectly well, forming its shape already. If you have really enjoyed this, let me know if you enjoyed this analysis. And if you want me to actually create the back pattern as well, please do let me know. Now you can see what we have is such a beautiful look. I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor to Rolling Mojibola. Bye.